Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahilladzi bi ni'matihi tatimmus shalihat. Wa asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu wa ba'd. Okay, first of all, let's introduce myself. My name is Aziza Mutahharatul Jannah. My student ID number 20400124028. And I'm from English Education Department. Here I wanna explain my answer from Assessment Introduction to Linguistics. In addition to having meanings, word and sentence also have interpretation. Interpretation in this case refers to the age explaining the meaning of a particular word or sentence. Often in social life, we find words of sentence that are not easily understood without being interpreted. To understand the meaning of the words and sentence correctly, an effort to explain their meaning is required. To observe it, skills to improvisation in semantic are ambiguity and speech at the two case perspective discussed in this subsection. In semantic, ambiguity is term used to indicate a linguistic component which a word, a process, or even a sentence has more than one meaning and require multi-interpretation. Consequently, readers often face problems in understanding the indicated meaning the word, process, or the sentence. Therefore, a word, for example, she is said to be ambiguous if the word can be interpreted more than one meaning. In general, ambiguity can be categorized in two subcategories. The first one is lexical ambiguity and the second is syntactical ambiguity. The first, lexical ambiguity occurs when we use a word and the word has two or more possible meanings, which makes it in need a multitude interpretation, where many carry two more possible meaning because of two factors, more pointing and pointillism. For example, Adam went to the bank. The word "the bank" is the sentence may be interpreted there are financial institution. Adam went to the financial institution, or the land alone said a river. Adam went to a river. Even though lexical ambiguity potentially because problem is grasping meaning in word level. In lexical can look at the context for lexical drum in understood the indicate meaning of a word. For example, Adam went to the bank yesterday morning. He wanted to save his money there. The bank is this context must refer to a financial institution. Speech has become one alternative approach to meaning interpretation in human language. A speech may be defined as an expression used by a speaker where the expression only presents information, but also presents action or function such as taking, apologizing, recording, or deroging, inviting, complaining, refusing, warning, and congratulating. For example, I would like a cup of coffee. Is there any? Is considered as speech because the expression not only gives us information that the speaker wants a cup of coffee, but also carries out a function as request. In other words, speech has helped us to recognize something more than simply identity meaning of the sentence. But it goes beyond the border to identity function of the identity meaning. The speaker's question, "Is there any?" can be interpreted as "Can someone give me a cup of coffee?" which malforms function or request auxiliary age, illusionary age, particularly age. In addition to speech age categories, we also examine the interpretation of sentence by considering the relationship between the linguistic structure used in the sentence and the function. Okay, that's all my video from Assessment Introduction to Linguistics. Thank you for watching and thank you for attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.